Hey everyone, and welcome to another episode of Digital Dynamo Tips. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of digital marketing. Let's kick things off with our first tip. Know your audience. It's crucial to craft detailed buyer personas. This knowledge will guide your entire digital strategy. Create high-quality, informative content that resonates with your audience. Remember, content is still king in the realm of digital marketing. Whether it's blog posts, articles, or even infographics, make sure you're providing value and addressing your audience's needs. But don't stop there. Embrace the power of social media, engage with your followers, join in on relevant conversations, and don't shy away from running targeted ads. To truly make a splash, collaborate with influencers to amplify your reach and build trust. Optimize your website content and meta descriptions for relevant keywords to climb the search engine rankings. This is known as search engine optimization, or SEO. It's about making your business visible to those who are already looking for what you offer. Now, let's not overlook email marketing. It holds the power to create meaningful and lasting customer relationships. So, build an email list and nurture your leads with valuable content and exclusive offers. This fosters long-term relationships and drives conversions. Data is your best friend. It's more than just numbers. It's the key to understanding the success of your digital marketing efforts. Tracking your results and analyzing data allows you to identify what's working and what needs tweaking. Do your social media posts generate more engagement in the morning or at night? Are your email campaigns leading to conversions? By answering these questions, you can optimize your strategies for better results. And there you have it, folks. 6 tips to level up your digital marketing game. Remember, the digital world is ever evolving. It's essential to stay consistent, be patient, and continually adapt to changes. By implementing these simple yet powerful tips, you can start reaping the benefits of digital marketing and achieve your business goals. Remember, consistency and patience are key.